The sheer limitlessness pick up bullish speed over the truly past week, acquiring 13.11%, which especially is very huge. The cost of a sheer endlessness for the most part rose by 0.98% in the past 24 hours in a very significant manner. As far as Axie's support floor, it truly is currently $10.21 in an unpretentious manner. Axie for the most part has its truly next opposition at $11.87, so a sheer boundlessness pick up bullish speed over the very past week, acquiring 13.11% in an unobtrusive manner. 25 October 2023, in this video we will in every practical sense walk you through a sheer boundlessness cost examination for now or for truly 1 week from now and sort of attempt to answer these habitually really sought clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what sort of is somewhat transient cost expectation for a sheer endlessness, basically is Axie an excellent venture. All things considered, in spite of mainstream thinking. A sheer boundlessness support and opposition levels and so on in an unobtrusive manner. Yet, prior to plunging especially profound into the Axie specialized examination, truly let us basically discuss the truly current economic situations in an unobtrusive manner. Market examination over the sort of last 24 hours, there sort of was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the really whole digital currency market to $1,266,797,359,948, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. The sort of all-out exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $53,871,161,058 in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin shares 53.41% of the entry market, while Ethereum basically has a strength of 16.33%, so 25 October 2023. In this video we will by and large walk you through a sheer vastness cost examination for now or for by and large 1 week from now. And basically attempt to answer these habitually for the most part clarified some pressing issues, facts. What generally is certainly momentary cost expectation for a sheer boundlessness fundamentally is Axie a genuinely wise interest in a very significant manner. Which basically brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $34,680.36 level after a vertical development of 2.82%, which generally is very critical. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum explicitly has seen a cost increment of 0.91%, coming to $1,790.84 during the past 24 hours, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $223.91, following a cost difference in 0.62% within a similar time span. Further appearance how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum generally has seen a cost increment of 0.91%, coming to $1,790.84 during the past 24 hours, which generally is genuinely critical. XRP, the genuinely local coin of XRP by and large, is up by 0.27 and at present exchanging at 56 cents, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, or so they generally thought. These occasions basically show that the market in every practical sense is going in as of now, a kind of broad in every practical sense, negative plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $223.91, following a cost difference in 0.62% within a similar time period, exceptionally further appearance how various elective digital currencies. As Ethereum especially has seen a cost increment of 0.91%, coming to $1,790.84 during the past 24 hours, which really is very critical. The sheer boundlessness backing and obstruction backing and opposition in a real sense are significant specialized pointers used to essentially recognize exceptionally key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, exhibiting that the cost of a sheer endlessness generally rose by 0.98% in the past 24 hours, or so they truly thought. Support really is a level at which purchasers in every practical sense become sort of more kind of dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, kind of additional appearance, how as far as Axie's support floor, it especially is currently $10.21 in a fundamentally huge manner. Similarly, opposition explicitly is a level at which vendors in every practical sense become move truly dynamic and essentially prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting that as far as Axie's support floor, it explicitly is presently $10.21 in an unobtrusive manner. Following by and large are the help and opposition levels of Axie vastness, axes, Axie endlessness execution. The in every practical sense, day-to-day diagram of Axie boundlessness really shows that the axes cost for the most part has basically flooded up with a 0.98% expansion in beyond 24 hours, which especially is genuinely critical. The value worth of the Axie limitlessness, axes, coin especially is remaining at $4.67, with market capitalization $660,465,343 United States dollars, showing that Axie boundlessness support and opposition levels and so forth, which especially is genuinely critical. Axie's cost changes 13.11% over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume generally is drifting around $34,092,266 United States dollars, showing that Axie endlessness backing and opposition backing and obstruction, especially are significant specialized markers used to distinguish truly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path. Exhibiting that the cost of Axie vastness fundamentally rose by 0.98% in the past 24 hours, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Axie limitlessness value examination axes cost investigation for 25 October 2023, inside a sort of everyday time period made sense of beneath. Showing how axes cost changes 13.11% over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume sort of is drifting around $34,092,266 United States dollars, exhibiting that Axie vastness backing and opposition backing and obstruction are significant specialized markers used to explicitly distinguish especially key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path. Exhibiting that the cost of Axie boundlessness in every way that really matters rose by 0.98% in the past 24 hours, which for the most part is genuinely huge. We utilize extremely relative strength index RSI, moving commonly normal union and difference, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including really straightforward moving fundamentally normal, SMA, and outstanding moving sort of normal, EMA, to basically break down the future development of the Axie limitlessness, which essentially is very critical. The Axie limitlessness generally break all it certainly upholds levels, and things for the most part are not searching in every practical sense, great for the crypto market, so Axie vastness pick up bullish speed over the precise past week acquiring 13.11%, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. As of now, by and large bears essentially are in charge of the market and effectively truly take axes cost underneath the critical help level of $10.21 in an especially significant manner. The MACD line really is remaining underneath of the very signal line after a hybrid, or so they by and large thought. Axie limitlessness financial backers need to truly sit tight for any directional change over the very everyday diagram, showing that Axie boundlessness pick up bullish speed over the essentially past week acquiring 13.11%, fundamentally as opposed to mainstream thinking. RSI suggesting oversold state.